Hello my dear students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 4 of geography, that is air. Dear students, this is the first module of this chapter, and in this module we shall discuss the definition of atmosphere, its composition and structure. Dear students, our earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air that is called atmosphere. All living beings on this earth depend on the atmosphere for their survival. It provides us the air we breathe. It also protects us from the harmful effect of the sun rays. Without this blanket of protection, we would be baked alive by the heat of the sun during day and get frozen during night. So, it is this mass of air that has made the temperature on the earth moderate. Let's talk about the composition of the atmosphere. Dear students, the air is the mixture of many gases. Nitrogen and oxygen are two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon, and hydrogen are found in lesser quantities. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are also present in the air. Dear students, this diagram gives you the percentage of different constituents of air. Nitrogen is the most plentiful gas in the air. Dear students, when we inhale, we take some amount of nitrogen into our lungs and exhale it. But plants need nitrogen for their survival. Nitrogen maintains the fertility of the soil and help in plant growth. Oxygen is the second most plentiful gas in the air. Dear students, humans and animals take oxygen from the air as they breathe. Carbon dioxide is another important gas. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Let's talk about structure of the atmosphere. Dear students, our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers, and these are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Troposphere, which is the first and lowest layer of the atmosphere. Its average height is 13 km. The air we breathe exists here. And dear students, the density of air is high in this layer, and almost all weather related activities like cloud movement, thundering, rainfall, lightning take place in this layer. Next is stratosphere. It lies above the troposphere. It extends up to a height of 50 km. Dear students, this layer is the most stable layer of atmosphere as no weather related activity take place here. So all jet planes, aeroplanes fly in this layer. One important feature of this layer is that it contains a layer of ozone gas which protect us from the harmful rays of the sun. Next is mesosphere. This is the third layer of the atmosphere. It lies above the stratosphere. It extends up to the height of 80 km. Dear students, meteors burn up in this layer on entering from the space. Next is thermosphere. It lies above the mesosphere. In thermosphere, temperature rises very rapidly with increasing height. Ionosphere is a part of this layer. It extends between 80 to 400 kilometers. This layer helps in radio transmission. In fact, radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer. Next and uppermost layer of atmosphere is exosphere. Dear students, this is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere. This layer has very thin layer, means the density of air in this layer is very less. Light gases like helium and hydrogen float into the space from here. So dear students, that was all about this module. We shall continue this chapter in next module. Thank you.